I'm out here in Ohio today with my cousin Justin. Say hi, Justin.
Yep.
And he's got some weird stuff going on out here. I figured I'd come out here and take a look. A lot of deer tracks. Got some coyote. He said there was one big track that was distorted, but we're not seeing it now.
Had rain.
Yeah, we had a lot of rain. Coyote shit.
Right here beside your foot too.
Look,
There's bones in it.
yeah, it looks like
Coon or
probably,
something.
yeah, got him a coon, or I don't know, it's got nails.
My coon's got big nails.
Well, yeah.
And look right here beside you. Big fur.
Ooh.
Look inside these deer tracks.
Them are some big
good
ones. Big old doe.
There's always tracks here, all kinds of them.
My goodness, that is a big deer right there.
Can't believe them big ones are gone, huh?
Well, look around.
Really hoping they were still gonna be here.
Right now all I'm seeing is deer tracks. I got something here. What's this?
The big ones were round. They were like that, but you know what I mean? Yay big.
Well, there's a big buck print.
Oh yeah.
A lot of deer. See what we got in here. Oh, here's a big track here. That looks like a dog, though.
Big dog.
Yeah. See nothing else. A lot of deer tracks.
Something weird, man.
Here you got. Yeah. And then the coyotes are hanging out awful close.
Oh man, we got a lot of talking about.
You have to get out here and straighten them up. You're gonna start cutting your deer down.
They're working on it. Trail camera pictures of them every night. Usually every day during the day, actually. It's not during night.
Yeah, he's got some trail cam pictures I'll try to get and put on the video. Send them to me and I could splice them in there. That's a big old oak. There's our mode of transportation. If I can keep him under 60, I'll be alright. Here's another soft spot down here. Let me look down here. More deer tracks.
Let's head on out.
Alright.
Put that camera out there.
Alright. You want to get a water out there now?
I gotta do some walking. Shut this ringer down.
Onward. There's another T in there. Looking for prints, the bipedal type. We got a good bit of woods out here. Tell them where we're headed.
Yeti Corner.
Yeti Corner. They deer run out here all the time, and he says there's a spot down here that's pretty weird. They get weird feelings when they're on there all the time, and they call it Yeti Corner. So that sounds like a place I need to go. Got him some food plots out here. I got the shake thing on this, so it don't shake that bad.
It's hard when it goes slow.
Yeah. I was like,
Speed up.
with old Oscar and Robert, you gotta take Dramamine when you watch their videos.